Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's credit monitoring services. So to use Credit Karma's credit monitoring services, all you got to do is just follow these simple steps. The first, of course, is to log into your Credit Karma account. Now you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the credit monitoring tab. And then here you can view your credit monitoring dashboard, and that's going to show you your credit reports and alert history. And you can also set up credit alerts to notify you of changes to your credit reports. You can also make use of Credit Karma's credit monitoring tools to track your credit and financial activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's credit monitoring services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.